Hi everyone, the question is, let R be the set of all real numbers. The number of continuous functions f defined from all real values to all real values such that for all real x, f of x plus f of 2x equal to 0 is. So here f of 2x is essentially equal to you may say minus f of x. Now if you put x to be x by 2, since this relation holds for all x, let me put x to be x by 2, and you get f of x is equal to minus f of x by 2. X goes for again I am putting in this equation again x as x by 2, so I get what f of x by 2 is equal to minus f of x by 4. Similarly, again if I put x to be x by 2 in this equation, because again this also equation holds for all x, all real x, so f of x by 4 is equal to minus f of x by 8, so and so forth. So that means you can say f of x is minus f of x by 2. Now f of x by 2 is minus f of x by 4, so you may say it is you can say equal to f of x by 4. Why? Because f of x by 2 is minus f of x by 4, and minus f of x by 4 is f of x by 4, equal to minus f of x by 8, because f of x by 4 is minus f of x by 8, so and so forth. You may say it is plus or minus depending on whether it is 2 to the power even or 2 to the power odd in the denominator of x, x by whatever as input to f. You can say this is equal to plus minus f of x by 2 to the power n, where of course if n is even, then you get plus sign here, and if n is odd you get minus sign here, which you can easily see from here. Yeah, the trend you can see. Yeah, so here n can be anything, n can even go to infinity, just that it should be natural number, but it can go to infinity. Yeah, so you may say f of x is equal to limit n can even go to infinity, f of x by 2 to the power n, plus or minus, obviously. Yeah, plus minus. So here you may say essentially it is f of plus minus f of 0. F of x is equal to plus minus f of 0, because as n tends to infinity, 2 to the power n goes to infinity, and x we are considering something finite, by infinity would go for 0. So plus minus f of 0. Yeah. So here now can we find out f of 0? Absolutely yes. In this equation, if you put x to be 0, since it holds for all real x, so it holds for x equal to 0 also, so you get f of 0 plus f of 0 equal to 0. That means what? 2 times f of 0 is 0. That means f of 0 is 0. So that means f of x equal to plus minus 0 is 0 only. So f of x equal to 0 is the only possible solution for this function f. That means the number of continuous functions f which satisfies this condition for all real x is just one, which is essentially the 0 function. So B is the answer. Thanks for listening.